If you have some pork shoulder and you're tired of making pulled pork the same old way, try this recipe for Asian pulled pork. You can use this pulled pork to make rice bowls, Asian pork tacos, sliders, or sandwiches. It's a super easy recipe where you just dump everything in and press start. And if you don't want to brown the meat at the end, you don't have to. I like to do that, but it's an optional step. You're going to need 4 pounds of boneless pork shoulder. You can also use boneless country-style pork ribs, half a cup of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of low-sodium chicken broth. You can also use beef broth, 2 tablespoons of minced ginger, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of sambal oelek, which is an Indonesian spice paste that is available at most grocery stores, but you can definitely find it on Amazon or at an Asian grocery store. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and you can also add some green onions and toasted sesame seeds to garnish. Mix together all the ingredients for the sauce. Add the soy sauce, brown sugar, sambal oelek, sesame oil, garlic, ginger. Stir up all the ingredients, and if you wanted to, you could marinate the meat in this sauce for just a bit. Stir in the broth, add in the pork, and stir to coat the pork pieces with the sauce. You don't need to add any more liquid to this recipe because the liquid that comes from all the sauce ingredients is enough to bring the Instant Pot to pressure. Close the lid and pressure cook on high pressure for 90 minutes. And once the pressure cooking is done, you're going to let the float valve fall on its own. This is called a natural pressure release. And once that float valve has fallen, you can open the lid. Use a slotted spoon or a pair of tongs to transfer the pieces of pork from the Instant Pot to a bowl. As you can see, the meat is really, really tender. Now the meat is ready to be used as is. You can shred it or cut it up and use it in a rice bowl or in sandwiches or in tacos. I like to shred it and fry it. This is a way to add a lot of flavor to the meat. Heat up a frying pan and brown the meat and add in some of that cooking liquid. Don't add too much because it can become too salty, so just taste as you go. Once the meat has browned on the bottom, stir it up and it's ready to be used in whatever recipe you like. I hope you enjoy this recipe.